Hey guys, it's November 27, 2021 and it's 5:26 p.m. Now I'm on the Takeshita Street and I will be walking on the Takeshita Street to the Harajuku station today. So it's just a very quick walk today. Because this Takeshita Street is very short. It's one of the most popular shopping street in this area in Harajuku, but it's quite short, just 4 minutes walk distance. So it's gonna be a quick walk, but I think I will be walking on the back street as well today. So it's gonna be longer than 4 minutes, I think. So Harajuku is the center of pop culture in Japan, in Tokyo. So there are so many young fashion or shops or something like that. People are also very unique, like green hair or blue, I don't know. So it's like this is the center of the young culture. So this is a cosmetic store and accessory store. Candy shop all around. M&M as well. Okay, this is the bubble tea from Taiwan, I think. Okay, so let me turn left here. I've just walked on the main street, but I haven't walked on the back street, so I wanna try. Anap Harajuku. Tasty guys. This is an Indian restaurant called Viva Gore. And this one is, I don't know. This is a cafe. Wow. Cafe with pink color. So very few people are walking on this back street. This is Bossa Nova. They are serving green curry, tom yum, and this is a bubble tea. Wow. Oh my god, wow, micro pig house. Look at that. So you can drink cafe and play with micro pig. And this one is a restaurant. No customer I can find. Okay, so vintage pottery. That is an antique store. Okay, this street is beautiful. This is a peanut cafe, which is so cute. Wow, this is beautiful illumination. Many people are taking a photo. Okay, this place looks like seems to be a shopping center. Uniqlo on the first floor, IKEA on the second floor. It also has some shops like Harajuku, which is a cafe and a shop, and Snow Peak. I saw Peanut Cafe already, and the Seiko store, and Dr. Martin. Look at that. Yeah, this one is the Harajuku Cafe. Okay, I can see Snow Peak over there. So many kind of crepe. Okay, I'm back to the Takeshita Street, or the main street. What is this street? It's almost end of the Takeshita Street, but I got interested in this street, which is very narrow and so many clothes all around. Okay, no road anymore. But this store looks like for kids. You know, so cute key holder or doll, and shining something. He said it shines in a dark place, and some toys. Only this shop is here, and looks like all other shops are closed. I think it's because of the COVID, you know. Okay, t-shirts. This is a Japan motif, socks, sushi, and a hokusai, and a beckoning cat, maneki neko. Looks like it's for tourists. Alright, this is the end of the Takeshita Street. Alright, this was the Takeshita Street. Wow, so many people. Alright, this is the Harajuku station, and I'm gonna get a train here, so I'll be ending this video here. So, if you like my quick walk on the Takeshita Street, the main street and the back street a little bit, please hit the like button for me and subscribe my channel. And I hope you have a nice day, and see you at the next video. See you guys.